and everything. All I wanna hear is in the pieces I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to find you.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is sponsored by UNice, and they sent us one of their new wigs. This is their 13x4 HD lace real scalp loose wave wig with face framing curtain bangs. That was a lot, but it is 24 inches. And guys, this hair comes with the real scalp technology. They have a scalp base that has mono mesh attached to it, which helps you to achieve a real scalp effect without an HD cap or using like any tints. It has a glueless construction. It also has the drawstring in the back, the elastic drawstring, which helps the cap to sit directly on your head. This wig, guys, also has air tapes attached, so I could do a glueless install. And this is the back of the wig, guys, with the elastic drawstring, which I adjust and it fits my head size. This makes this wig versatile for any head shape. It adds that added security. I am using the tapes at the side, the air tapes, just to hold my wig down. And guys, look at the lace. It looks really good. It's already pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Look at the parting. It looks like a scalp, and I love that, guys. You can do a lot of different hairstyles with this wig, and as you can see, it is still a glueless install. You can do a lot of hairstyles with this because there is free parting space. It looks like scalp. So this is another feature of this wig, which I'm loving, this natural scalp effect. And guys, the hair comes curled already, and because I don't have a curling iron, I'm gonna work with the curls that came with the wig. So you're gonna see that the hair can be worn straight out of the packaging. I did go in with my foundation after the fact to just adjust my parting, just so the lace right there blends better right in the front. And you'll see in the next couple of clips that that's all I needed to do. But then guys, I didn't have a curling iron, so what I did was just use my fingers to finger comb the curls, and also use my fingers to style it so it would frame my face. Guys, if you have like a curling iron and you re-curl the bangs, it will give you an even better face framing effect. I love that this hair comes already cut and layered, and it's just ready to go. Love the lace on this. It looks so good. The only tool I'm going in with is my hot comb, just to get the top to lay more flat and just a bit more seamless. Y'all, my natural hair under this, it's growing to the point where it's not flat, but it's not enough hair to braid down. So I had to go in hot comb just so my hair would be a little bit more flat. But this is what it's looking like, and I'm loving the real scalp look. I'm loving the face framing bangs in the front. I just think the hair looks really nice. All the links, guys, for this hair is going to be in the description, as well as the details, so you can definitely check UNice out. I will be styling the hair in 2 other styles. Definitely let me know your favorite down below. I don't know guys, something about a ponytail gets me every time. This is like my favorite style so far. But let me know what your favorite style is. Definitely check out the description box for the links to this hair. Definitely check out UNiceHair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, UNice. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.